Biyahe kasama si DJ Lala, aarangkada na.
Tara na ta, basahin ang ating problemang naisumite sa aking Facebook page. Ito na po ang Byahe Sender of the Night. This one ay ang biyahe ng buhay ni Romel. Hi DJ Lala. Ako si Romel from Bulacan. Ang problema ko ay yung girlfriend ko nagpupumilit mangibang-bansa. Ayoko lang naman na magkalayo kami kasi panigurado magbe-break kami. Sabi ko naman sa kanya, bubuhayin ko siya. Magtatrabaho akong mabuti para matulungan siya at ang pamilya niya. Kaya ko naman kakayanin. Basta hindi lang sana kami maghiwalay. Feeling ko kasi DJ Lala, hindi ko kaya. Ano po bang maipapayo nyo sa akin? Salamat po and more power to your show. My love, as a girl, we do appreciate it kapag nararamdaman namin na yung partner namin is parang takot na mawala kami sa kanila. Yung partner namin ay parang, sabihin na natin, threatened by the thought of us being out of their lives. Masarap yan sa pakiramdam Nakaka-flatter as a girl. Parang nararamdaman namin yung importance namin. Parang nararamdaman namin yung value namin. Yung impact namin sa buhay ng partners namin. But my love, as a partner, aside from making your partner feel secure, loved, and valued, may isa pang trabaho ang isang partner. That is to support your other half. To support your partner sa mga decisions nila in life that you think will be good for them. We push our partners to be better. We push them sa journey, sa path na sa tingin natin mas makapagbibigay sa kanila ng magandang buhay, makakapagpagaan ng mga bagay-bagay sa kanila, even if we have to sacrifice some things. And in this case, my love, what you have to sacrifice is your choice of having her here. Kasi my love, believe it or not, again, naiintindihan ko kung saan ka nanggagaling, and I do appreciate how much you love your girlfriend. But her having a life abroad para makapagbigay din ng magandang buhay para sa pamilya niya is actually her choice, not yours. Ilagay kasi natin to sa konteksto ng relationship ninyong dalawa. My love, boyfriend and girlfriend pa lang kasi kayo. Hindi pa kayo mag-asawa. So yung decision niya ay decision niya ng kanya lang. She doesn't even have to seek or ask for your permission. Sometimes sinasabi lang nila yun, so you would be ready. Now your choice is to support her or to break up with her. Kasi hindi mo kayang suportahan yung decision niya. Kasi siya, my love, buo na yung decision niya Gusto niyang umalis so that she can provide herself and her family a better life. Again, that one is her choice. So yung choice na meron ka na lang, my love, susuporta ka ba? O ikaw na yung magiging dahilan para maghiwalay kayong dalawa? I know it's scary, and I know I've always said this one too many times sa show ko, na yung LDR, long distance relationship, is not really for everybody. It takes a brave heart, a steady relationship, a deep foundation sa relationship to make it work. Aside from that, there must be a constant communication, constant understanding, compromise to make it work. If you don't think you are equipped to handle something like that, then maybe, my love, it's best nga muna if sa ngayon, puputulin nyo muna yung relasyon ninyo. Hahayaan nyo muna yung isa't isa na umalpas sa kanya-kanyang buhay. Maybe somewhere down the road, pag nag-meet kayo ulit, single siya, single ka, mahal nyo pa rin yung isa't isa, then maybe you can continue your relationship. Pero you stopping her from doing this is a wrong idea. It's an immature move. Kasi my love, you cannot promise her a life that she can have kapag ginawa niya yun eh. You cannot promise her family everything na kaya niyang ibigay kapag nagawa niya yun sa ibang bansa. You cannot stop her from aiming for a better life just because you're scared. Kapag nagmahal tayo, we cannot be selfish. Not just because we don't want to, just because it hurts us, just because mahihirapan tayo, pipigilan natin yung mga partners natin sa mga bagay-bagay na mas ikagaganda ng buhay nila. Wala na tayong pinagkaiba sa crab mentality at tayo yung crab na humihila sa kanila pababa. And my love, ayokong pagsisihan mo yung desisyon na yun. Ayokong makita mo yung sarili mo one day in your relationship being blamed for a life na sana ginusto mo para sa kanya pero hindi mo na ibigay. I don't want you one day to be blamed for the dreams that she never had a chance to fulfill. Ayokong one day sisihin ka niya sa lahat ng regrets niya in life because of this day na pinigilan mo siyang gumawa ng sariling desisyon para sa sarili niya. If we love our partner, we will support them all the way. We will try for them. We will sacrifice for them. We will understand them. And we will have faith sa relationship na meron kayo that what you have, what you had, will always be enough to keep her coming back to you. Naintindihan mo ko, my love? Set aside your insecurities and selfishness. Ang isipin mo, ito ay para sa taong minamahal ko. Ito ay para sa ikagaganda ng buhay niya at ng pamilya niya. Whatever will make her happy, we will try and make it work. Kung one day nakita namin na yung LDR is not for us, I'll make that decision. I'll wait for that decision to be settled by the both of us. Pero right now, yung progress ng buhay niya, instead na hadlangan siya, ako yung mangungunang suportahan siya. Kasi that's what a partner should do. Klaro? Kaya mo yan, love. Kaya mo yan, Romel. Kaya mo siyang suportahan. Kaya mong maghintay. Kaya mong manalig. Na walang distansya, walang time difference ang babasag sa relasyon ninyong dalawa. You just have to have faith. Klaro? Klaro.